Meaning of Herman Melville.
Herman Melville.
Herman Melville.
Herman Melville.
Herman Melville. Herman Melville was an American novelist, poet, and essayist born on August 1, 1819. He is best known for his novel Moby Dick, which is considered one of the greatest American novels ever written. Melville's work explores themes such as obsession, power, and the struggle between good and evil. Despite critical acclaim for his early works, Melville fell into obscurity later in life and passed away on September 28, 1891. Today, he is remembered as a major literary figure of the mid-19th century and a pioneer of the literary genre of the sea tale.